Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a quick little do-it-yourself pacifier little clip like this. And I'm also going to show you guys my new favorite pacifiers that I've been loving. I'm not sure if the baby's going to love it, but they're just super cute. So I wanted to show you guys that in this video. And I do have a little tiny Mickey Mouse, which I'm going to sew a quick little pacifier in this. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do that. But I purchased some new pacifiers. Let me kind of sit down a little bit. But these are the pacifiers that I have been loving. And they look like this. And some are by the brand Itsy Ritzy. This one is by Cutie Pat. And they look like this. They're just so cute. This one looks really tiny, so when the baby is born. But I got a tan one from Cutie Pat. I got this little green one. This one is from Itsy Ritzy. And I always thought that they looked weird or they're going to be hard. But look at how soft these little pacifiers are. And they're just so cute. So I bought the pacifiers and then I bought the matching little clip to go with them. So this is what this one looks like. I got another one. This one is from Itsy Ritzy and this one is from Cutie Pat. And it's a little bit different. This one looks a lot smaller than the Itsy Ritzy. But I attach this little teddy bear here. So this is what I'm going to show you guys how to make. You can do it with any pacifier and any little stuffed animals that you guys might have around your house. But look at how cute this little tan one is. I got a white one. This one's by Cutie Pat. And I'm going to use this white one to attach to the Mickey Mouse. I got this like bluish color. And I also got like a matching little clip separate. But how cute is this one? And I got a light blue one that I also attach from this little elephant. This little elephant did have a different pacifier, but I really didn't like the pacifier, so I decided just to clip this little pacifier and it matches perfect with it. And then I have this dark gray one with his little name one that I got this one off. No, I think I got this one off of Amazon and they customize it with the baby's name. And this pacifier fits perfect right here, the color. So this one is what this one looks like. And I just been loving those pacifiers, you guys. I always thought that they looked hard or that baby might not like them, but I don't know until Amar gets here. But look at how soft they are. So I'm hoping he does love them. I love the style. They are pretty different from any other pacifiers. So yeah, and I also have these pacifiers that I'm also loving. They look like this. This one glows in the dark. And I got these from Walmart. I got a little lime green one, a gray one, a white one, and a blue one. So these are pretty cool as well. So I just like different little stuff. So I wanted to show you guys that before I show you guys how I'm gonna turn this into like one of these little ones. So this is like a little rattle. I have two of these, so I decided to use this one as a pacifier clip holder. And I just slit like a little tiny hole right in the mouth. And I have, let me show you. So I got this black ribbon that I had around the house, and I decided it would be perfect to just add it to the pacifier. And I got about this size. And I also have a needle and thread. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the little pacifier, put it in here, just like that. And then I'm going to sew this right into the mouth. So I'm just going to try to stick this in Mickey Mouse mouth. I never done this, but I thought it was gonna be like super easy. So this is what it looks like so far. And now with the black needle and thread, I'm just gonna sew it together so it could be like a little clip. So like I said, you guys can use this with any little tiny stuffed animal and any kind of pacifiers you might have around the house. And if you don't know how to sew, it's pretty easy. I learned how to sew in school, so it's pretty easy to me. But I'm just gonna grab some thread and put it inside this little needle. Once the needle is in the thread, what I like to do is just put it even and then just tie a knot. What I like doing is just grab both pieces. Hold on, it's not even. 2 threads even in the bottom, and then grab the little needle and just give it a few little twists like this and just bring it down. So that gives it a quick little knot in the bottom. Squeeze the mouth shut, grab the little thread and just start sewing the mouth shut. And like I said, I never done this before, but I felt like it would be like an easy and quick little do-it-yourself. Like this would be a quick little do-it-yourself to do it on camera with you guys. So if you guys try this, let me know in the comments down below, and we will see how this comes. By the way, I am like almost 38 weeks, and I feel like Amar is pretty low, so he should be here pretty soon. I already finished, but I want to try to make it as secure as I can. I just want to keep going back and forth. Okay, so after you're done with that, all I'm gonna do is try to make a little knot. And how I do that is just grab a little piece and then grab the needle and just put it inside the little thread and just do it as tight as you can. And then I'll do that again. So just bring it in, grab the little thread before it goes all the way down, then just tighten it. So that's just how I do my little knots. And obviously I'm not doing a little close-up because you guys probably know how to sew already. But if not, there is a lot of videos on YouTube of how to sew, but I just wanted to do this, like I said, quick little do-it-yourself video, and then I will just cut the rest off. And there you have it, you guys. Look at how cute, and it's like really safe in there. And now there he has a little Mickey Mouse pacifier one, so I think that'll be really cute. So cute. So now I have 3 little clips with pacifiers on them, and I feel like it's super easy if you know how to sew. It's just a quick little do-it-yourself, you guys. How cute is that? And yeah, I also wanted to show you guys my new little itsy ritzy and cutie pat pacifiers. If you guys are interested, I got them off of Amazon. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little do-it-yourself. Like I said, I wanted to do it in camera with you guys just to show you guys, but if you guys do it, leave it down in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you guys back in my vlog that I did a video today as well. Bye guys.